Welcome to Appliance Codes, your trusted source for appliance repair tips and guides. Today we're tackling the Whirlpool Washer F9E1 error code, also known as the long drain error. If this code has appeared on your washer's display, don't worry. I'm here to help you understand what it means and how to fix it. The F9E1 error code indicates that your washer is taking too long to drain water. When the washer tries to drain water for more than 6 minutes without success, the main control board will stop the cycle and display this error code. Under normal circumstances, your washer should drain completely within about 2 minutes. Let's discuss some common causes of this error. First, a clogged or blocked drain hose could be the issue. Second, the drain pump might be failing or has completely failed. Finally, there could be obstructions or damage within the drain pump itself. Now let's go through the steps to troubleshoot and fix this error. For front-load washers, the first step is to check the drain filter trap. This trap is located at the front bottom of the washer, behind a small door or panel. Open this panel and unscrew the filter cap. Be prepared for some water to come out, so have a towel or shallow pan ready. Remove any debris or foreign objects that might be caught in the filter. Cleaning this filter can often resolve the draining issue. For top-load washers, it's important to note that they do not have drain filter traps like front-load models do. Instead, to access the drain pump, you will need to tilt the washer against the wall or lay it down to gain access underneath the washer where the drain pump is mounted. Make sure to unplug the washer before starting. Once you have access to the drain pump, inspect it thoroughly for any debris, foreign objects, or damage to the impeller. If you find any obstructions, clear them out. If the impeller is damaged or the pump is otherwise faulty, it may need to be replaced. For both types of washers, if you've cleared the drain filter for front loads or inspected the pump for top loads and are still seeing the error, the next step is to check the drain hose. Ensure that it is not kinked, bent, or blocked. A clogged or improperly positioned hose can prevent your washer from draining properly. Now let's talk about the drain pump itself. In order to find the correct replacement drain pump for your washer, you will need to find the model number on your washer. Once you have the model number, you can search for the correct drain pump on our website. If you've tried all these steps and are still seeing the F9E1 error code, or if you need more specific help with your model, please visit our website. We have detailed information and resources to help you out, and all the relevant links are provided in the description below. Plus, if you have any questions, you can ask them directly on our site, and we'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more appliance repair guides and tips.